What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a simple cartoon illustration of Rainbow Dash from My Little Pony. Now we want to begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now you're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So let's line up the top over on the right side, bring that down, coming down towards the same height, go up along the side, and then back in. Now I want to push the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left side, we're going to draw a smaller oval, going around, come down, and just pull that in towards the inside. Let's line this up on the right, going up, come down, and then back in. Now on the top right side of each eye, we're going to draw an oval in an angle. So start up against the edge of the eye, going around, and then back up, and do the same thing on the right. Let's move down and draw a smaller oval for a second highlight. Now I want to trace this oval along the inside, but we're going to shift it towards the inside of the eye. So let's start from the side of the highlight, come around, come down, and just pull it up towards the inside of the eye. Let's go to the right, tuck that in, come down, and then in. Let's fill the center of the pupil in black, going around those highlights. Now we want to go in between the eyes and draw a fold along the top of the muzzle. We're going to curve this up and then down. Let's move down, draw the nostrils. Bring this in and down with a short line. Let's move down again and add the mouth, starting on the left, curve down, and then up. Now we're going to open up the mouth. Let's start back on the left, come down a little bit lower in the middle, go up towards the right, and then along the bottom, we're going to add a curve for the tongue. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out, curve the head, coming down. Just going to bend that in just underneath the mouth, go across, and then up towards the right. Now from here, it's going to draw in the ear. Just going to bend this out, go up and in towards the top of the ear, round up the ear, just bend that in, and then down. Let's add a fold along the outside of the ear, starting from the side of the head, then it's out and up. Now on the right side, we're going to add 3 lashes. Let's start from the top, angle this up and out, step down, draw another one, and then one more. Now you want to brush the hair over towards the left. Let's start from the base of the ear, come down, and then across towards the left eye, and then taper that back up. Let's bend this around the eye, just touching the top, come down towards the side. Set a point, going up and in. Now I want to go back and just close off the side of the head. Then we'll go ahead and add one more point, going out and then down, go up and in. Now I'm going to add one smaller point along the top, bring this down. And I want to curve this up towards the top of the head, go across towards the right, bend this down, and then out in behind the ear. Let's bring the hair coming down along the right side. We're going to start from the bottom of the head, bend this in and then down. We'll add a point, just tapering that out. Add another curve, coming down and out. Now from the bottom, I'm just going to curve this up and out, and then bend that back in towards the side of the head. So go up, out, and then we'll bend that in. Let's move over towards the left side, draw the neck. We're going to angle this down and then out. Let's round out the side of the body. From the base of the neck, we're going to step up, curve this around, and then in. And then in the center, we come all the way down, add a curve, going in between the legs, Just leave a small gap, move over toward the left, angle the leg, coming down and out towards the bottom. Move over towards the right, angles down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and bending that up on both sides. And then we're just going to tuck this up in behind the body on the side. So just taper the legs so it's narrower, going up towards the top. And do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add the wings along the side of the body. Let's start from the base of the neck and go up, around, and then in. Let's add another curve. Going out and then in. Add a smaller one, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Now I want to take that wing and flip it over on the right in behind the hair. So we'll start from the top of the leg, and this out and then in. Add another curve, and then we'll add the tip of the top of the wing. And now we're going to sweep that tail coming down the left side. Let's start underneath the head on the left, then it's out and then down. Just going to add a point. Let's curve this out, down. I'm just going to bend that out towards the tip, and then again just bending that in. Let's add one more point, coming down and out towards the end of the tail. Now I'm just going to bend this in and then up towards the side of the leg. Now let's go in and separate the different sections of the rainbow. We're going to start from this point. We just want to continue this curve, going up, across, and then out. Let's go to the bottom and add another curve, going up and then out. Let's separate the side on the right, starting from the inside, bend this out and up, step down and draw another curve. Now from the tail, we're going to start from this point. We're going to continue this curve going up, bending that around the wing and then in behind the head. Step down, add another one. Just follow that same curve going up, in behind the wing, and then in. I'm just going to add one more. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Rainbow Dash from My Little Pony. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.